Welcome to our channel. Let's learn today a new thing. Today we are going to discuss all about noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, or thing. The examples are cat, tree, kid, bus, and park. Look at this picture. The book is on the table in this sentences book, and table are noun. I have a parrot. A parrot is noun. Another picture is show you this is a pen. A pen is noun. I'll live in Pakistan. Pakistan is place, so Pakistan is noun. Kids are playing, kids are noun. The birds are singing in this sentences. These birds are noun. You will be able to learn noun properly. This is my teddy bear. Its name is John. Its fur is soft. In this picture, we have a teddy bear is noun. Then we talk about its name. John is noun. After its fur is noun. Hope you are learning so well. See you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share your friends for more fun videos.